Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm sharing with you all a really special recipe. This one is for turmeric and lemon pepper kebabs. You all are going to love this one. It was absolutely delicious, and I'm going to share with you all a special air fryer that I'm using / oven for this recipe, and I'll leave the link for it in the description box. We're going to start by seasoning our boneless and skinless chicken thighs with salt. Now I use 2 teaspoons. If you use less salt in your diet, by all means please put the amount that you want to use for this recipe. In goes turmeric and smoked paprika. Next goes in 3 teaspoons or 1 tablespoon of lemon pepper. Now I'm going to add in some yogurt. It's just going to add a little bit of tartness, and it's also going to tenderize the chicken. Give that a good mix. Now while you're mixing this and it comes together, if you notice that the yellow is not really pronounced, you could add in some more turmeric. Now you can marinate this overnight or for a couple of hours, or you can use it right away. And using skewers, we're going to add in a piece of a sweet pepper, and then put on the pieces of chicken. And you can put in between that, you can put onion, you can put sweet peppers in between, put as much veggies as you want, and finishing off with a piece of sweet pepper. Now once you've finished made all of your skewers, you're going to place them in your oven. I'm using this Wonder oven from Our Place, so thank you Our Place for gifting me this oven. I'll leave the link to purchase it in the description box. Gonna place the kebabs inside, and I did 4 at a time, and you can even freeze the kebabs and make it at a later time, so it's a great make ahead. Close the oven, and then we're going to set this to 375 on the roast mode. So it's just going to be in between 350 and 400, and then 20 minutes. Now halfway through the cooking process, I'm going to go ahead and flip them over because it's going to start to brown on one side, and you want to make sure that it cooks properly and it browns evenly. And I'm going to allow it to continue to cook on this other side until it's done. Once it's done, you'll hear this bell, and then it's time to remove and place the rest to cook. I'm just going to place these on a lined sheet tray, and you can have these just as, but what I like to do is I like to place the Thai chili sauce, just glaze it over the hot chicken when it comes out of that oven. Now you can use your regular oven for this, and you can place all in there at that same temperature, and you can make all of them, but today I'm just doing a few and I'll freeze the rest of the kebabs. So I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. Try it. It's great with pita or with fried rice. Let me know what you think. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye everyone.